I used to think that hair products were the only thing that could fix your lifeless doll hair. But the truth is, what we put in our bodies makes a huge difference on our hair strands and our scalp. So, a year and a half ago, I started my hair growth journey. I was eating very healthy. I had a plan for myself. I was working out, very, very consistent. And I did not know that I was going to eventually be on HRT, which is hormone replacement therapy. But I was doing other things to help myself feel more energized. And I was actually going through perimenopause at the time, and I did not know what was going on with me. So I figured that I was starting that because I had hot flashes. So I did not know what to expect and what to do with this. But eating right and eating healthy was something that kept me going, and I also felt very great. And I was making my hair oils homemade. I was using anything from rosemary to star anise to bay leaves, coffee grinds in my coffee or in my hair oil, sorry. And so it's just experimenting with it. But I recently started slacking in how I've been eating. Now I still eat pretty good, but not good enough. Like, I'm on my way to work and I will grab frozen food, and once in a while it's okay. Once in a while doesn't hurt you. It's just here and there. But I am doing this daily when I go to work, and I've been eating anything from frozen burritos to chimichangas and those quesadillas that are frozen. And I said, no, this is just not okay. You can make homemade things. You could use ground turkey. You can use I still use the beef ground hamburger, and roll it up in a tortilla. And I've also used zucchini and different vegetables in the burritos, but I've been very lazy. And I mean, I'm working all the time, but I think I just get tired. So I am actually going to start this. I started it today, and this makes a big difference in your hair, in your skin, and just energy wise. So what I ate today, I'm going to list a couple of things that I ate. Now I'm going to be looking over to my laptop because I wrote out some things, or had typed up some things that the benefits of the things that I'm going to start eating are good for. And this is a plan that if you want something, I can put together for you what worked for me in the very beginning, and which was growing my hair so fast. So this morning I had eggs and oatmeal and sourdough. And eggs are one of the best foods for hair. They're packed with protein and biotin, which helps your body make keratin, the protein your hair is literally made of. Oatmeal gives you iron, zinc, and fiber, which help your hair follicles nourish and scalp balance. And a little sourdough, it gives vitamin B that support healthy cell renewal. Plus, it keeps it light, so you're not overloaded on gluten, which can sometimes cause inflammation in the scalp. So I'm sorry, I put my because this was my guide, so I keep saying my, but just in general. So that is why I keep saying my or your, but I kind of wrote it out. But this is something that I'm just trying to let you know the benefits. Of course, you could switch up your breakfast with different things, and I'll mention a couple of them. But for lunch, I had ground beef, asparagus, and black rice. And ground beef is high in protein and iron. Iron is huge for women over 40 because low iron is one of the biggest causes of thinning hair. Now, I don't have low iron right now, but I did at one point because I have fibroids still, but I did get them shrunk. And before that, the fibroids caused me to have, the low iron because if you know about fibroids, it is not a fun thing. It causes you to really have very, very heavy menstruals. And I actually ended up in the hospital and had to have a multiple, I don't remember now, it was like 6 years ago, I believe. No, 7 years ago, maybe longer. But I had to have blood transfusions to be functioning and to even be here. So that was really scary. But my iron is good, thank goodness. Check with your doctor and check your levels if you believe that you have low iron. If you're feeling weak, fatigue, that could also be an indication. So just so you know. But these are just some options that you can do to get your hair going and feel good. If you just have like minimal tiredness and you just want to have your energy up. But mine was excruciating, crazy problems. But asparagus gives you vitamins A, C, and folate, which will help with scalp circulation and collagen production. And black rice is full of antioxidants and fiber. It keeps digestion, and it's giving your body actual absorbs all those hair healthy nutrients. I'm so sorry. I'm reading, like I said, I'm reading from this. So, and then also for dinner, I'm going to start rotating things such as salmon, tuna, sardines. I still want to try because it has a lot of omega-3s and it helps reduce scalp inflammation and gives hair shine, plus vitamin D, which supports the hair follicle. Now, I have some sardines, but I had them as an emergency kit if I ever need it. And I still have to make it a point to try the sardines. So I have not did that yet. I might try it and let you see and let you know how it tastes. I know you could probably do different things like hot sauce or whatever on in there or get a recipe, but I have not tried that yet. But this is something that I've been trying or making a point to try one day. But the salmon and tuna I eat. And you can do chicken breast or you can do turkey chili with beans if I haven't mentioned the turkey chili beans before. That has lean protein plus zinc and helps strengthen hair and keep shedding under control. And then you could also put on the side of that, on top of some vegetables, you could put apples, bell peppers on the side. That has vitamin C for collagen and to help your body absorb iron better. And quinoa or sweet potato complex carbs with fiber and magnesium, which keep energy stable and support scalp circulation. And broccoli and spinach packed with iron, vitamin C, and antioxidants for strong, glossy hair. Avocado on the side you could do on any of these meals, or you can just do it as a little snack on the side. They're healthy fats, vitamin E, which nourish the scalp and protect hair from damage. So this is something, like I said, I feel like I am a better person for myself. I don't feel as angry when I'm not getting the nutrients that I need. It does affect my emotions and everything else. So this is something that I am making a plan, and I'm definitely going to be doing this. So if your hair does feel lifeless and you want to join this, plan for yourself, I can give you some guides and I can also give you some helpful tips what to do. And I can also put out an ebook. I might do that actually on one of my for my email. So I actually will put something down in the description for you to subscribe to my email, and you will be getting weekly tips and transformation tips on my hair growth journey, what I did to help my hair from bleached, over processed bleached hair, and using the flat iron every single day. I did not care. I treated my hair like it was just hair, it'll grow back. And when I had knots in my hair, because I would sleep without my hair being in protective hairstyles, I would get tangles in my hair, and I don't wash my hair every day, so this would just build up over time. I would throw it up in a bun, because what I do for work, I wear my hair up and then I would just let it down and I move all over the place, and my hair would have knots about this big. One time I had one like this big, and I'm not even joking. I put my hair up and I can kind of feel the knot. I mean, it's funny now, but I don't know. I just didn't care. So when I did brush my hair out, I would yank it and I would just comb it out and brush out to the knot. So we're coming out, and I didn't care. It would just yank it. And I had gobs of knots and hair, and I didn't care. So I didn't want my hair long. I just didn't treat my hair very nice. So this is just something that I'm sharing with you because I made it a point, like I said, besides slacking this time, to be healthy and working out. And I just started working out probably this last year and a half off and on, but now I'm trying to stick with it consistently. Whether I'm going to a rec center, working out at home. And this evening I'm going to try to go to the rec center and do a class they have. It's like a Zumba class. I think it's called Barrier. But I used to do these and I love it. It's so much energy. You're in a group, you're pumping, you feel the energy from the music and other people, and it's just a blast. And it helps all your stress. And that's another important thing that you want to do, working out. So I am going to leave in the description as well as in the comments. If you want the guide for my mask, it's an Indian hair mask as well as some other tips and transformational tips, then subscribe to my email and put I want this guide or just I want this, and I will send you the link. You will get your email on there, and I won't spam you ever. I won't share your email. But I will send you weekly transformation tips on what to do to help yourself as well as your hair. And I am so happy. Thank you for stopping by, everyone. Until next time, I hope you have a great night.